We'll guide you through how to FaceTime or call people from an iPad. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So FaceTiming and calling people is different. FaceTiming is using Apple's calling service, which is FaceTime here. But you can also go and call people, and you can go and call them using their phone number, and that's going to go and be using your network provider. You'll need to have your iPhone nearby for that to go and work though, but we're going to guide you through how you can do both. If you want to go and call people, we will just go and start off on our iPhone. You can go and skip this part if you're not interested. So to go and call people, you need to go and open up the settings app on your iPhone, scroll all the way down to the bottom and find the option for apps. Then in apps, you need to go and scroll down and we need to go and find phone. So scroll down and go and find P and you can then tap phone. Now we can go and scroll down and you need to go and find calls on other devices and click that there. Switch that on and make sure iPad is switched on. You can see mine already is there. Now what we need to do on the iPad, whether you want to go and FaceTime or call people, you need to go and open up the settings. Then you want to go and scroll all the way down on the left and find the option for apps. Then you want to go and scroll down and we need to go and find FaceTime. So go and tap on it. So come down and make sure FaceTime is switched on first of all. If it's currently switched off, go and switch it on. Then it's going to shortly go and activate. It won't go and take long. What we can do here is just come and wait. What you want to do is make sure calls from iPhone is switched on so we can go and make calls as well. Now that we've got to enable that, if we want to go and FaceTime, what you can do is you can go and use FaceTime. So go and open it up. If you struggle to go and find it, you can drag down and go and search for it. I'll show you an alternative way in a moment as well, but go and open it up. Then what you can do is go to the top and press new. And what you can do is go and type in an email or phone number. I've already got some added here, so I can go and tap on one as an example. And then you can press FaceTime for FaceTime video or the phone button here for FaceTime audio, depending upon what you want to do. To go and call people, you can go and find the phone app or you can drag down and go and search for it. You can go and use the dial pad in the top right. Or alternatively, you can go and see recent calls here. So I could go and call example here like so. And then that's going to go and start the call on my iPhone, as you can see. So it will be based off that. If you found this useful, then leave a like.